Today,
we will get better at.
Students will be able to
Write
assertions,
assertions,
or an essay about two passages that meets the CFS. Remember, an assertion is the first sentence in our paragraph. Our assertion answers the prompt. Michael, Jimena, fix your bodies. Thank you. Here's the criteria for success for our assertion. When I underline, you underline. Get ready. Our assertion uses keywords from the prompt. It uses
keywords
from the prompt. Now you'll see this slight change from last week. Our assertion answers the prompt in our own words. It answers in the prompt in our
own words.
Make yours look like mine. For our assertions, our answer is correct. The answer is
correct.
Underline it. In our assertion, we cite our title and author. We cite the
Title and author.
Our assertion names specific people, places, or events from the text. Our assertion names
Specific people, places, or events
from the text. And because we're already experts at this last step, we're going to cross this one out. Our assertion never, ever, 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 it does not use I. Cross it out because we will never do that. Now that we've gone over our criteria for success, watch me unpack this first prompt and write an assertion. You can help. You have read an excerpt from Sarah Plain and Tall and Out of the Dust. Explain how the characters of Anna and Sarah feel toward the adult in the passage. Be sure to use evidence from your text in your response. The first thing I have to think about is, what is the task, topic, and purpose of this prompt? Look at these hands of teammates who already know. I'm going to have you watch me, hands down. I'm going to look for the task and topic first to put in my box. Explain how the characters of Anna and Sarah feel towards the adult in the passage. Be sure to use evidence from the text in your response. It doesn't tell me my task, but I think I have a good idea of what the task is. Class, tell me the task.
essay.
I'm going to write it in my box. But I can find the topic in the prompt. My topic today is going to be characters. So I'm going to write what in my box?
Characters.
Yeah, characters or character feelings would be fine. We already know the audience. Tell me 1, 2, 3.
Teacher.
Good. And now I'm going to go back into my prompt and I'm going to underline the purpose. Well, if I know the topic is the character's feelings, then the prompt must be asking me to explain how the characters of Anna and Sarah feel toward the adults in the passage. That's my purpose. So I'm going to write that into my purpose box real quick. Explain how Anna and Sarah feel about adults. Just a quick little note so I know what I'm going to be looking for evidence for. Janelle? Yes, ma'am. For this prompt, I'm going to write 2 assertions. How many, class?
2 assertions.
So, using my criteria for success, let's write our first assertion. My first assertion is going to be for Sarah from the story Sarah Plain and Tall. The first thing I'm going to start with is my text type. In the text, because it doesn't tell me the text type, but I know that at the end of the day, a text is a text. Stay with me, Quincy. Heads up. Get your brains ready, because you're about to try this on your own. Sarah Plain and Tall. And because it's a book, I'm going to underline it. And I know to underline it because up here in my prompt, it's underlined. By, I don't see an author, so what can I write, class? My snap, please. By unknown, I need to use keywords from the prompt. I need to explain how my character feels. So I'm going to say, Sarah feels uncomfortable comfortable, toward her new stepmother. Now, thank you for fixing it. Before I write my second assertion, let's see if my first assertion hits all parts of my criteria for success. Put your finger on your criteria for success at the bottom. If I've done it, give me a check. If I need to fix it, raise a hand. Does my assertion use keywords from the prompt, class?
Yes.
What keywords did I use from the prompt? Benjamin? Sarah feels. Very good. Give yourself an energy ticket, Ben. Remind me. Does my assertion answer the prompt in my own words? Did I copy my answer from the text?
No.
So I should give myself a
Check.
Is my answer correct?
Yes.
Now, we actually haven't read Sarah Plain and Tall today, but I'm going to go ahead and give myself this check because I have read Sarah Plain and Tall. My answer is correct.
Correct.
So give me a
Check.
Does my assertion cite my title and author, class?
Yes.
Does my assertion name specific people and places and events from the text, class?
Yes.
What specific person did I name from the text?
Sarah.
On my snap?
Sarah.
Very good. So this is a perfect assertion. But I'm not done because this prompt asks for how many assertions, class?
2.
Let's write the second one. I'm going to start by naming my text title. In the text, out of the dust. Same thing, I'm going to underline it because it's underlined here in my prompt. By, do I know? Anna feels grateful for her father. Let's check to see if my assertion makes sense with my criteria for success. Finger on the first one. Does my assertion use keywords from the prompt? Check if it's right, hand if it's wrong. 1, 2, 3. How would I fix it wrong? Oh, thank you. He's giving me a thumbs up. I didn't hear a lot of checks, so do I use keywords from the prompt, class?
Yes.
Let's check. What keywords did I use from the prompt? Casey?
All the dust
I used the title, but what else? We're going to throw it to someone else. Casey, Denaya? Anna feels are my other words from the text. Remember? Characters feel, Anna feels. Do I answer the prompt in my own words? 1, 2, 3?
Yes.
Yes, I didn't steal these words from the text. I got 2 checks so far. Is my answer correct?
Yes.
You haven't read this story, but I can tell you based off what I know, I'm pretty sure I can give myself a check. Do I cite the title and author, class?
Yep.
Check. Do I name specific people, places, and events, class?
Yep.
So I can give myself that check. In either of my assertions, did I use I?
No.
No. Remember, when we write an assertion, we have to be able to check off all pieces of our criteria for success. I've also posted our criteria for success here on the board with your sentence stem that tells you how to start it. So let's get ready to try the next one with a